Yeah, what's up, guys? This is HumbleFx, and today we are talking about an amazing robot, an amazing Deriv Robot that you could see on the chart right now. We have $22 or $22 made profit with this amazing robot. We have only one loss. Okay, so in this kind of robot, you don't even need to stay here for a long time. You stay here for 5 minutes and or 10 minutes, and you have gotten the target for the day, and you go and rest. All right, now let me show you how to go about it. And before I continue the video, or if you have not been a member of this family, please subscribe to the subscribe button and turn on the notification so I get notified once a new video is dropped in this channel. All right, guys, and also there is an ongoing discount on my unbeatable robot and the Boom 1000 Gold. In case you want to get that robot, that MT5 trading robot that trades the boom and crash market on the 1 minute time frame, or earlier the robot was actually $100, but at this moment I want to give a huge discount to those that are interested. So if you want to get the unbeatable robots or the Boom 1000 Gold, you can get these robots now at $15 per each. And if you want to get the two of them at the same time, you get the two of them at $25. This is a lifetime discount that you're going to get, and this offer is valid for 24 hours. So this is just my giveaway of that robot. So if you need that robot, each of them is 15, and if you want to get the two at the same time, you're going to get 25. So that is all about that. Now let us proceed to the video of today. So I'm going to reset all of these things. Let me reset it so 0. All right, now before I proceed, this robot is actually the name of this robot. This is the millions robot. So I call this robot the millions robot because it's actually a crazy robot that can make you good profit. All right, in case you don't know how to install it, let me just show you a brief how to install it. Just come to this particular point. This is imports. If you have this already, come to this imports here. You click on the imports and you import it from your gallery or where you save this from. That is where I send it for you, where I send it to you. You get it there and then you set it up. Now the settings here is very important. Yeah, those settings there is very important. So if you want to get amazing settings that I've already changed the settings to the one that suits me. So if you want to get that settings, you must have the robot. All right, guys, let me run it and then let us see what we are going to get within the next few minutes. I told you guys this robot is amazing and it works wonders. That's why the name is called the million robot. Okay, now let me run it and let us see how what happens. Now this robot works even on a small account, but not on a $10 account. This robot does not work on a $10 account because it works on account of, let's say, $50 and above. Now see, we have got our target already. Our target was I set my TP to $10, and that is what I got already. You see, I set my TP to $10, and that's what I already got, even beyond my target. That's how amazing that could be. Now let me change my TP and let us see how it goes. Let me change my take profits. My take profit, let me change it to $50, and then let us see how it goes. All right, this is just amazing. This is crazy amazing, guys. See, let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes this time around. All right, this robot is great. Yes, it has losses. It has losses, but trust me, it is just amazing. It is just crazily amazing. If you gains one, it gains. The beauty of the robot is that the profits and the loss is not even equivalent. The profits and the loss is just very close to being equal, right? Just very close to being equal. Right now we had just 6 runs and we have $42 already made here. Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. So you don't get scared of, oh, I'm gonna lose my money. No, you're not gonna lose your money. You're not gonna lose your money, guys. And this is the target right here, right now. In your presence, we have got target 2 times right here. And we just had just 8 runs, 4 wins, and 4 losses, and we have gotten what we need to get like this. So you can change the lot size depending on your account size. I'm using lot 3 here. You can use lot 0.5. If you have a small account like $10, 20 to $20, you can use lot 0.5, lot 0.35, lot 1.0. All depends on your account size. All right, guys, you could see how amazing, how effective, and how good this robot can be. All right, guys, so I'm going to give out this robot for just 10 persons that are going to get this robot today. So the robot actually worth up to $100, because it can make you that if you have equity of $100, you can get back that $100 in one single day. In fact, within an hour, you have gotten that profit already. Okay, guys, but because I don't want you to go through, I don't want you to see it as too expensive, I'm going to give it out to just $25 only, just $25, and it is going to go for 10 persons. Once that is completed, this robot is going to go back to 50, and from 50 it goes back to 100. But bet me, if you get this robot, you are going to enjoy it. You're going to make a lot of profit. You will see that he never lost twice. He just one loss, then the next one is going to be win, one loss, is going to be win. So that is how this robot works and all that. So that is what I'm talking about. If you get this robot today, you are going to get it at $25 only. And after today, the price is going to increase to 50 and to 100. So you can also send me a message on Telegram or on WhatsApp. Check on the video the description. You'll see the link to my Telegram handle or WhatsApp, and you get yours as soon as possible. It's that simple, guys. Very simple. And if you want to get our free robots, you can get that in our Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel, and you're going to get the free robots right there, and free indicators and free signals as well. All right, guys, so this is how it goes, guys. This is how it goes. So I'm going to show you guys that this works even on a small account. Let us reset it. Let me reset the robot, and let's enter it. Let me change the lot size to maybe lot 1.0. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes with 1.0. All right, guys, this is just amazing, guys. So you don't want to miss out of this robot. You don't want to miss out of this robot. You want to get yours now. You want to enjoy yourself. You want to make profit with these robots. All right, see you in the next video, and watch out to get your own.